Hey riders, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're hitting the streets, the track, or the trails, your helmet is your ultimate shield. Today we're counting down the top 5 best motorcycle helmets. From budget-friendly gems to premium protectors. We'll dive into their pros, cons, and which one might be your perfect fit. But before we get started, check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting at number 5, we have the ILM Full Face Motorcycle Street Bike Helmet. Looking for a reliable full-face motorcycle helmet? Let's break down the ILM Full Face Street Bike Helmet. This helmet includes 2 visors, clear and smoked, plus a neck scarf for winter, making it versatile for all seasons. Its streamlined design reduces wind noise and drag, enhancing comfort on long rides. The lightweight ABS shell offers durability without weighing you down. Plus, the quick-release clasp and removable inner pads make it easy to clean and adjust. It meets or exceeds DOT and FMVSS 218 standards, so you know it's safe. Pros: affordable, dual visors, winter-ready, aerodynamic. Cons: basic ventilation, may run slightly large for some. For riders seeking value, safety, and comfort, the ILM helmet is a solid choice. Coming in at number 4 is the GLX GX11 Compact Motorcycle Helmet. Need a sleek, high-performance helmet? Let's check out the GLX GX11 Compact Motorcycle Helmet. Designed in Southern California since 2002, the GX11 combines safety, comfort, and affordability in a streamlined package. Its wind tunnel-tested ventilation features 3 adjustable intakes and 4 exhausts, keeping you cool while reducing wind noise. The wide-view shield offers excellent visibility, with quick-change ribs for easy swaps, no tools needed. Built with advanced shell molding and multi-density EPS foam, it delivers superior impact protection. The fully removable, washable interior ensures a custom secure fit even at high speeds. Pros, cons side by side. Pros: great airflow, lightweight, easy shield swap, premium safety. Cons: slightly compact fit, may not suit larger head shapes. For riders who want ventilation, safety, and style, the GLX GX is a top pick. At number 3, we have the Triangle Motorcycle Helmet. Need a DOT-approved helmet that won't break the bank? Now we're testing the Triangle Full-Face Motorcycle Helmet. Let's see if it delivers. Features: DOT FMVSS 218 certified, ABS shell plus high-density EPS liner for crash protection, 4-vent cooling chin, top and rear vents for maximum airflow, no more sweaty rides, dual visor system, clear night rain plus smoked sun glare, no extra cost, removable and washable liner, anti-sweat padding for all-day comfort, 4 sizes SXL, fits most adult head shapes, measure first. Pros: affordable but DOT certified, rare at this price, great ventilation for hot weather, 2 visors included, sun plus clear, easy to clean interior. Cons: no pinlock, may fog in humid weather, heavier than fiberglass helmets, basic design, not as sleek as premium brands. For budget riders who want DOT safety plus solid features, the Triangle helmet over-delivers. Taking the number 2 spot is the YESWELDER Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. The YESWELDER, a budget favorite with premium features. Key features: 4-in-1 versatility, works for TIG, MIG, MMA, and grinding. Large 3.64 by 1.67 viewing area, 1111 optical clarity, true color, no distortion. Ultra-fast switching, 130,000 sec. Pros: crisp, clear visibility, true 111 optical rating. Super fast auto darkening, no flash burns. Affordable for its performance. Comfortable and lightweight. Cons: smaller viewing area than high-end models. Basic headgear, not as plush as premium brands. No X mode, less ideal for low-amp TIG. For hobbyists and pros who want clarity and speed without the premium price, the YESWELDER delivers serious value. And finally, our number 1 pick is the TCMT Motorcycle Motocross Helmet. Looking for a motocross helmet that's lightweight, durable, and meets safety standards? The TCMT Motorcycle Motocross Helmet could be the perfect choice. Designed to meet DOT safety standards, this helmet features an injection-molded polycarbonate and thermoplastic composite shell, ensuring durability while keeping it lightweight. The front mirror shield offers a wide visual field, anti-fog, and anti-scratch protection, making your rides clearer and safer. Comfort matters. The removable washable liner and cheek pads provide a snug yet breathable fit. With full front-to-back airflow ventilation, this helmet keeps you cool on long rides. The padded D-ring chin strap ensures a secure and comfortable fit. So there you have it, the top 5 best motorcycle helmets. Be sure to check the description below for the latest price and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.